Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is PLayhawttt, hot as in fire. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing my neon lights. I'm super excited. I got this off of Amazon, so if you're interested, keep watching.
Young and alive, everybody outside, everything nice. Play hot, but we still all our vibes. Island girls, them girls are my like. Trinidadian girls, them girls.
So we are about to open up my brand new neon lights. I am super excited to open this with you guys. I ordered this on Amazon about over a month ago, so I don't know what to expect. I don't even remember what I ordered. I think I remember what it looks like, but I'm not too sure of like the dimensions and stuff like that. I don't remember, but bottom line is we are about to open this up now. So far it feels a bit, I would say it feels a bit light. That makes me nervous. Or should I be nervous, or should it be light? I don't know, but it feels a bit light. And the box came with a huge dent in it. So I'm really hoping it's not damaged, because I don't know what they was doing to get this big hole in my box. But that's the only hole. I have one down here too, but so I'm just praying. What's the word? Anenkulu. I'm praying that this is not damaged. Anyways, let us get right into this unboxing. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I am so excited. You guys saw what was in the box. However, I've been looking and I did not see any instructions, so maybe it's like 1, 2, 3, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out of the packet. You see those 3 T's, right? I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna put it together, and let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, this light is looking so freaking, this light is looking so good. But I think I cannot finish this video tonight. I'll come back tomorrow and finish it, because I need to like make the nail a bit higher so I can hang it. And also the way that it's right now, it's this low, and I feel like I can see the ring light because it's clear right there. I'll show you guys, but it's clear, and that's what the ring light is beaming off of. I don't like that. I don't like that. But I think it looks so beautiful. Look at it. Hello. I'm gonna get into pricing at the end of this video. You guys tell me if it's worth it. I think it's worth it so far. Okay. So this is the remote control. I paid a bit extra for this, I believe, but it's definitely worth it because there's a timer for it to shut off. It can shut off for itself within 5, 10, 15 minutes, stuff like that. There's a dimmer, it gets brighter, darker, yeah, on and off. I'll get into all that. But guys, tomorrow I'll be back. I'm gonna come back and finish this video because I need to set up my thing and make it look a little better now. But so far, I am very much contented. See you tomorrow in the next clip. So hey guys, I am back and it's the next day. I didn't hook it up yesterday as always see, but I felt like it was too low and I wanted to see what it looked like a bit higher. So I got me some command tape. All right, it's just like the sticky, can you see that? Yeah, it's just like the sticky one. So I'm going to stick this behind it and hopefully that can pull up some of the weight. And I don't want to make no big hole in the wall, so I'm just going to use some regular like tacks. I'm going to use some regular tacks and hopefully it'll fall along and mash up and no more money going to dream. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna hook this up, put it up on the wall, see my name, big and bold, and I'm going to tell you what I paid for this. Stay tuned. So here you have it, guys. It's PLayhawttt. I love it. I love it. I think it's so cute. It's really big. You can see it clearly. I think it looks a bit dim right now. Let me brighten this up. I don't know, you guys remember from the remote. Okay, from the remote I can just brighten it up a bit, 10%, 20%, stuff like that. I'm gonna put this to 50% to make it a little brighter. Do you see that? Yeah, let me put it a little brighter. Put it 100% and see how bright it looks. Yeah, you see that? It looks really nice. Put it back at 50% or 60. That's good. And you know what? That sticky tape worked really good and it's supposed to hold up like 16 pounds, so I should be in the clear. That thing should not be dropping upward. But for the price and all there, everything came up to $195, and that was including shipping because I paid like $48 for shipping. So this costed maybe $144, and then I paid like $40-something in shipping, and I got the remote. You had to pay extra for the remote, like $8. And if you wanted like RGB lights, like different colors and stuff, it costed something like $70. I did not have $70, so I just got this and I'm contented with this. This is pretty simple, straight to the point, and it gives me the look that I was going for. I'm very, very happy. I'm so happy. So happy. $195 well spent, okay? Okay, so when I ordered it, it said it was going to take like X amount of time. It actually came maybe 2 weeks earlier, so that was good. And I don't remember the dimensions and stuff, but if I do remember, I'm going to link it all in the description box. But if I had to say one bad thing about this, it's the remote. I'm not too much of a fan of the remote because the back seems to be just falling out. I don't know if I should contact the seller to let him know, like, yo, I don't like the back, or maybe I should just tape it up. But that's the only thing. The remote was a bit faulty. I ain't like that. Okay, so one thing why I'm really happy that I bought this from Amazon is because this actually came down my algorithm on Instagram, and I started putting in my name just to get like a pricing, and some of it was coming up like 500, 600, 400. I'm like, I ain't got that kind of money. Let me check Amazon, and I got it for practically 200. So I'm happy with that. So this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Tell me why you don't like it. Oh, they love it. Look at it. It looks so cute. I love to see my name.